On this video, I'm going to show you how we can do audit using the Ubiquube MS Activator. Let me first log on the platform. So on this video, I will focus my audit on a security appliance. So if I select a customer, Ubiquube Demo for example, I can list all the different devices that I can manage under this customer. I can see a Cisco ASA, a Cisco CSR, a Cisco ASR, a FortiGate, a 340Gate, 140 hypervisor, and so on and so far. If I want to launch an audit, I can select the services part to access to the orchestrator module. On the left, I can see an audit security service already designed and available. I can select it and click on Launch Audit to launch a new audit on my platform. So for that, I can select first the security policy that I want to check if it is configured on my device or not. So first I can set the source interface. So let's say from the interface 5 to the interface 4 for all addresses in the source and destination for a specific service, for the service AOL. And I want to check if this rules is the action is accepted. Then I can select my devices. I can select FortiGate A and let's select a second device, FortiGate B. If I click on Save and I click on Run Now and I access to the detail using the Live Console, I can see that we are parsing the configuration of a different device to check if a firewall policy is configured or not. So the firewall policy is not configured in this device, but it is configured on the second one. If I click on Close, I can get the details. So I can see the security policy that we have audited. I can see the two devices, and then I can see two different lists, one on which the firewall policy is not configured, and a second list on which it's configured. And from here, I can choose, for example, to activate this policy on all the devices on which it's not configured, or at the opposite, to remove the policy on which it's activated. Let's activate the policy on the FortiGate A, so on the list of the device on which it's not activated. Okay, so I still have my list plus my parameters, and now I can click on Run Now. And if I access to the Live Console, we have two tasks. The first one is to deploy the firewall policy on the list of devices on which it's not deployed, and then we will launch an audit to be sure that now it's configured. This is how the audit is working. But behind that, we are using the OPMF console. Let me show you how it works to understand how we can launch an audit on any feature of a device. If I select my FortiGate A, for example, I can access to the config part using the config tab. And on the left, I have a list of objects attached to my device. On this list, I have a firewall policy object. Of course, I can use or design an object for any feature of my device. Using the firewall policy, I am able to list all the different firewall policies that are configured on the device. To be sure that what I have on my screen is what is running on the device, I can use the synchronize option. So this option will consume the import method of my object firewall policy to import the firewall policy configured on the device. And now, I think this is this one that we have created using the security audit. This is the rule that we have created from port 5 all address to port 4 all address. For the service AOL, we accept the traffic. And as a comment, I put security audit. It's done automatically by my service. So yeah, as I said, we have an import method for each object. And this is thanks to this import method that I am able to check if the configuration is deployed or not. So we can easily extend this, let's call it security audit, to any audit on the device. Thanks for watching.